In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the official Suno app, create music, and save your tracks to your mobile library. To get started, the first thing you need to do is download and open the official Suno app on your phone. Make sure you're installing the official version from your device's app store so you have the correct app and the latest features. Once the app finishes downloading, go ahead and launch it. When it opens, take a moment to let everything load properly so the interface is fully ready to use. This makes the next step smoother, especially if you're opening it for the first time. After you're inside the app, look for the Create button in the center of the screen and tap it. This is the main entry point for making new music in Suno, and it's where the creative process begins. The layout is designed to make this easy to find, so once you tap it, you'll be taken to the section where you can describe the kind of song you want to generate. Now it's time to enter your prompt or lyrics. This is where you tell the app what kind of track you want it to create. You can type in a simple description, a mood, a genre, a theme, or full lyrics if you already have them prepared. The more clearly you describe what you want, the more useful and relevant the generated result will usually be. If you're writing lyrics directly in the app, try to keep them organized and easy to read so the system can interpret them more effectively. Once your prompt or lyrics are entered, start the generation process and let Suno create your tracks. Depending on your connection and the app's processing time, this may take a few moments, so just give it a second to complete. When the tracks are ready, listen through them carefully and choose the version you want to keep. It's a good idea to review the result before saving, especially if you plan to come back to it later or build from that idea. Finally, save your generated tracks to your mobile library. This helps you keep your creations organized and makes them easier to find whenever you want to listen again, compare versions, or continue working from the same concept later. Once saved, your track is stored within the app for quick access. And that's it.